Alright, so battery light on the Honda. What's happening with these Hondas, man? So anyway, but they were right enough. It's like you were driving along 1 minute, the minute we're getting nice steering, nice and light, and then the next minute you go to turn the junction, solid. So we must be intermittently no charging here. So belt and all that's connected. So price and alternator, I thought it would have been astronomical. That is an intermotor one, mind you, so it's not a Honda one, but it's not astronomically priced, but we'll check it all, make sure it's all tickety boo, make sure it's definitely the alternator, you know. There you go, there's what's broke down. Can't beat a Honda, man, can't beat a Honda. Right, so Helga, 7 volts on there, we're only getting 11 volts back to the battery, so between 10 and 11 volts charging on that, so that's probably knackered. The Denso one originally, that's rattling noise, but I'm not quite sure where it's coming from. Sounds like it's coming from run a bit of this turbo. Right, okay, I think we'll leave that at the time being. Crack on with the alternator, I think. Jeez man, it makes a racket! Or some broken, or some touching somewhere. It's not there all the time, but you see they've got a wee battery in it now, the other one's on charge, so the alternator looks right to me. So I think we did this pipe off or this wire and this bracket. A few bits to come off there in the belt, obviously I've got a new belt for it as well, so probably it's original one, don't know how many miles it's done, probably a million. So looks like the right alternator to me. So see there we have our wire, and this looks like the bit for the brackets on the bracket. So I mean, until I get it out anyway and then put it right next to it, that looks to me like the right one. It's turning both ways, so that's good. So 7 volts on here and 11 volts on this one up to the battery, so not charging. It's like it's been back into quiet mode. It's unusual for these Hondas, man. I don't know. I came aboard getting the meter back out, so I just shoved the snap-on test lamp on it and shoved everything on, heated seats, blowers, everything. And it was at 12 with the charge. That's a different battery, but it's a fully charged battery. You see there it's way down to 10.8, so alternator's running around like the clappers, so the matter if you check that there and that wiring's fine, so there you go with alternator. So turn this stuff off. So hopefully that is the right one, it looks like it, innit? Boom! GYS Flash. I love Honda, man. I do, I really do. I mean, I don't bias, right? But still, right, so the wee tab there for sliding this up off of here, right, if it will come. But that's not why I'm in love. Look at the heat shield, man, right? See if this was a Ford, not one of those bolts we would have got, right? In fact, not one of those bolts we would have been able to put a 10mm head on, right? So we'd have been there with the easy outs probably. We'll be able to get that out the road enough, hopefully. So I did text one of the Honda boys earlier on and says, man, geez, I was about to phone you. I says, but I got it. I says, I'm solid, but you'd need to be, man. So that's the lever I've had to use to do the tensioner, right? Because the tensioner giving up on me. Okay, so that's the nut for the tensioner, and you can see it actually went all oval and everything. So it broke off. So thankfully managed to get the belt on. So sold alternator there. So hopefully there's no dramas. Cable tied up, so I need to get that cover back on. There's some coolant coming out because we need a pipe off to get in to the alternator, so we'll clean it up, top it back up. Steering, man, steering's really funny on this motor. Only one light now, but